Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 3, Lesson 11. Friends, I have a question for you. What does it mean if something is equal? Good, yeah, it means they're the same, right? So if I'm looking at the weight of these two objects, the red Lego and the blue Lego, and I know that everything is the same about them except their color, do you think they're equal? Yeah, they are. Their weights are going to be the exact same if the only thing that's different is their color. What if I held the red Lego up really high and I put the blue Lego down really low? If they're exactly the same, are their weights going to change? Nah, they're not. They're just going to be in different spots. This is perfect. I'm glad you know so much about being equal because our learning goal for today says I can move objects around on a scale and know that it still equals the same amount. So today we're going to have different objects. And we're going to have them on our balancing scale, as you see on the left over here, friends. Now over here on the right, we see different options. We want to find the pan, that's part of the balance, the pan that's going to have the right amount that matches what's already on our scale to make it even Stevens, to make it equal. So, what do you think we should do first? How are we going to figure this out? There's so many choices. Ooh, I like that idea. Yeah, we should count to see how many are already on the scale on one side. So we see 1, 2, 3. Now, friends, will you look over at all of these choices over here? Do you see any other pans that have just 3 on that side? You found it? Yeah, good job. Look right here. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. So, oh, wait a minute. Oh, no. Look at, these are in a nice straight line and these are stacked on one another. Is that still going to make them equal? You're so good. Yes, friend, that's still going to make the balance scale equal because we can move things around and it doesn't change how much they weigh, right? Perfect. Just like our red Lego and our blue Lego, the only thing different was the color. In this example, the only thing different is I moved them all around. All right, let's try another one. All right, ooh. These have different colors and I did move them too, but that's okay. It didn't change their weights. So, I want you to tell me, what are we going to do first to try to figure out which pan is going to make this side equal? Ooh, you said it. Yep, count the pink ones first to see how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you think it's a good idea to count those really fast, like 1, 2, 3, 4? No, why not? Yeah, if I go too fast counting, I might miss one or I might count too many. So I like to go nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Okay, now we are looking for a pan that has just 4. Do you see one that has 4? Oh, good. Yeah, this top pan has 4. Oh no, I moved them all around. Is that okay? Yeah, that's okay. You can move objects so that they're in a different spot as long as they're all the same weight. It's no big deal, right? Perfect. Man, I cannot trick you and I keep trying. Ooh, what about this one? This one's going to get you for sure. Oh man, I filled up that balance with a lot of them to this time. All right, what's the first thing we're going to do? You're right, we're going to count them. Go ahead and count the blocks on that balance already and tell me how many there are. You know what, I recommend counting them twice just to make sure. Okay, did you say 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. That's what I got too. Now, you probably already have looked because you like to peek ahead. I know you. But have you found the other pan on the other side that will match it? You did? Was it? Point to it. That one! Friend, you are so good! But wait a minute, they're not all stacked the same. Is that okay? Yeah, you can move them all around. That's okay. As long as the weight's the same, that's just fine. All right, we can put them in any order. It doesn't matter. Man, you're so good. All right, now it's challenge time. Are you ready? Enough is enough. I'm going to get you. Okay. Do you see what I did? I'm so funny. All right, now how many do we see on the balance pan already? Yes, we see 2 over there. 1, 2. Now, which one is going to be on the other side? Did you pick this one on top? Friend, you're so good. Even though they're moved around, that's okay. How many of you picked this one? None of you picked that one? Oh, I'm so glad. Why could this one not be a choice, even though there's 2 blocks over there? Why would that not be a good choice? Yeah, they're different sizes, so odds are their weights are going to be different. So even though there's only 2, look how big they are. They're like 4 times one of these. So that's going to weigh a lot more. And would our balance scale be even and equal if this one was over there? No, it'd sink down to one side. Oh, I thought I was going to get you with that big size one. All right. Well, you know what? What about this one? I can't watch. It's so hard. All right, you point to the one that when you figure it out, count how many on the scale, figure out which one you're going to put over there, and let me know. Have you figured it out? Are you pointing to the one you think? All right, are you ready, friends? Well, first of all, how many was already on the scale? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what are we looking for on the other side? One that has 6. Oh, and what did you say? Yeah, that's the same size, too. Did you pick this one? Ding, 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 ding. Friends, you are so good at this. You already know that you can move things around on the scale. And as long as everything else is the same, like their weights are the same, we'll be just fine. Our balance scale will be even. Perfect. That's great that you're doing such a nice job because our learning goal says I can move objects around on a scale and know that it still equals the same amount. Friend, you're so good. Okay, so here we go. It is our seesaw time. I want to know what you can do. So I have a balance scale all right there. And I want you to draw how many are going to go on the other side, this empty side over here, in order to make it equal, to make it even. All right? Make sure you do some good slow counting. All right, good luck, friends.